Happening now, Minnesota's cannabis rollout just took a big step forward. The Office of Cannabis Management and Governor Walz announced a new partnership with the Fond du Lac Band of Lake Superior, Chippewa. The two sides signed a tribal state cannabis compact, a formal agreement outlining how cannabis will be managed and advanced together. The compact also allows tribal nations to team up with state licensed businesses, meaning cannabis grown on tribal land could soon be sold across all of Minnesota. Bruce Savage, chairman of the Fond du Lac Band of Lake Superior, Chippewa, reacted to the agreement. He said the compact reinforces the band's role as sovereign leaders in building a safe and inclusive marketplace. As of today, the Office of Cannabis Management has signed compacts with 3 other tribal nations. Those include the White Earth Nation, Mille Lacs Land of Ojibwe, and the Prairie Island Indian Community.
Under the deal, the tribe will integrate the cannabis enterprise into the state's regulated market and tracking system. Chairman Bruce M. Savage of the Fond du Lac Band said the agreement honors their sovereignty, tribal values, and their role in creating a safe and inclusive cannabis marketplace for their community and beyond. That's it for the Nevada highlights and tribal nations.